specific discount basing on the service or the discount you do have. But whatever voucher you received, either for a private company or to governmental, basically it needs to be applied or it needs to be rectified on a Chelsea store, not to the center. So you need to eventually bring that voucher to a Chelsea store.
Gina, tatlong hanap si Papa. Forward ko na lang yung copy.
Sorry, start 43 ah.
Ah!
Kasi ano, basurahan. Ate, tawagin mo si mama. Hindi ganyan talaga pag ako. Ano? Ha? Siya kasi nasa bukas.
But I'll be here.
Well, like what I've told you, we can't really help you since we don't have a way to validate that. We don't even eventually know the specific voucher. We did not receive any communication for that or information. So the only department who can help you would be a Teltra shop. With us, we can't really help you in any of your issue with that voucher since we can't validate that. So we can't really help you.
Until what time is your shift?
I'm 11 to.
Okay, I'll be here.
Well, to know the purpose or to know what the voucher is for you to know what it entitles you, you need to go to a Teltra shop to eventually do that. We can't validate that voucher for you, or we don't even know the purpose of that or what is that for. So you need to go to a Teltra shop to eventually assess what is that for. Okay. It's just that, yeah.
I'll give it to you tomorrow. What time?
I'll be here. Probably the same shift, but earlier if I can wake up early.
But you need to understand that,
I stay here for.
yeah,
I've been staying here for how many months
This is your home?
now? Yeah, because 2,000 is like sayang. If look, I'm renting a place for 2,000 in Pasay, and then I'm not even staying that long, and it's too hot, and there's lots of cockroaches crawling every Saturdays and Sundays. So it's going to be my weekdays or my off. So I don't eat. I just want to sleep.
well, I understand that, but what this voucher is all about, we would be able to assist you further. We don't have a way not to help you, but we don't have a way to determine all the transactions with regards to vouchers should be assessed or should be evaluated in a Teltra store, not over the phone. So I'm apologizing if you've been inconvenienced a lot. I'm more than happy to eventually compensate you with $20 for the inconvenience. I can do that. But certainly we will not be able to assist you further in determining what is that voucher for or what could it give you, because we don't have a way to do that since we don't have a way to validate that. So you need to go to a store to really for them to have a look of what that voucher can give you or what that voucher could entitle you to have.
Pero yung paligid, no. But that part, it is. Kasi I think that's
Well,
probinsya
I
place. So it's
yeah, I can give you $20 in your latest bill for the inconvenience since they've been passing you around.
like
But this needs
the
to stop
husband's,
since, like what I've
work is
told
like
you,
carpenter,
this
and
one
the wife's job is
we don't deal with this. We don't handle
When
these
I came
specific
to that
issues
place,
because we
like way
can't
back on
validate those
2010,
vouchers over
their
the
kids
phone
is like
unless
only
it's a
4,
prepaid voucher, so we
4
can
kids
do
old. I
that.
think 4
But
or
if that's
5.
something to do
So
with
now it's
with
7.
vouchers
And
provisioned
imagine,
by the
and
Australian
imagine
government, well,
their
eventually
place
we
or
don't have a
their
way to
their
deal with that.
barracks.
You need to go
Because
to a
my
store.
barracks like this bay here, from here to there. That box there. That's my place. That's my bed and the ilaw. Then there's something crawling
Is
here.
it you?
That's why I'm not really saying it. The time that I know that I can stay here, I already stayed here. So what I'm doing is, since my all my things are there, I'm paying for the rent as well. So sayang. So what I did is I took all my place, brought it back to Lucena, and then just bring some clothes here. So I found some extra lockers there that I can use where it's not being bombarded. So it's good for me. I'm staying here in a locker. I have a locker for my shoes and my laundry. I have a locker for my new clothes, and I have a locker for the groceries. So three lockers. I could it could be only two if the first locker or my food storage locker is big. But the thing is, it's the small box locker. That's why it has to be three.
I'm not bringing extra money. Parang I'm not earning
Now,
here.
I'm earning here, especially
Well,
when I was in FOH. Like
Oo.
like
Ako
each
din
like each and every day for the Sodexo, I'm earning 100
well,
per
so
day.
I
And
can't
then
really
every week,
explain, or I can't
every
really answer
Monday,
why
you earn 500
those
if your
persons
metrics
passed
is
you
good,
on
right?
or
And
why
every 2
it
weeks,
has happened
if
to
your
the account.
metrics
But what I
is
can
good,
do
if you
is
maintain,
to provide you the
if
correct
you
resolution.
meet or if
If
you
we have the
maintain your metrics
capacity
from
to
2 weeks,
eventually
you get
provide you
1,000,
information about
right?
the voucher,
So
well,
how many do
definitely
you
I
get
can
in a
give you
month? Almost
information. But I'm a
6,000, right?
manager, okay,
For
so
just
I
for the
definitely
setup.
know
And
what
on
is
top of
happening on
that,
the
Aside
you
from
can
account.
your
do
But
AVP.
definitely,
AVP,
I would
and
tell
aside
you
from that,
that
you can do
this
OT.
is not a
How
thing
much
that
am
we
I
deal
earning
to
each
over
week
the
of the
phone.
month? Just
So
for the, not
I've
the
been
Sodexo,
telling you
but
this
just
one
for
for
the
quite some time.
Why are you
money.
You
staying
need
here in
to
GP?
refer that voucher
I
to a
wanted to
Teltra
actually.
shop because we can't do anything
That's
for
it.
this one. So
Look,
I would like you to do is
look, the
present
only
that
thing
to a
that you need
Teltra
to
store on your
worry
next
about
bill,
here
What
not
are
on
you
this one.
doing?
oh,
When
sorry.
you receive your next bill, you would receive a
The only thing
$20
that you need to worry
compensation
about
for the
is
inconvenience, but that's coming off on
metrics
your
is
next bill.
fine. It's going to be good. So,
Which one? The credit?
I am thinking, what if there comes a day that
Yeah, it was already
2
done.
or
It was
3 months
already
I cannot pay
applied
my
using
fix
an
and
adjustment.
blah
So
blah blah
you
ganito,
need to pay
then
your
I need to
balance
be
for
on
this bill, which is
minutes.
overdue, since
So
you would receive
after
this
this,
credit on
after
your
I
next
hit
bill,
an
since this
AVP
bill,
here,
your latest bill had
I can
already
do
been
my AVP
credited
here. I
back.
can do the
I
same
mean, had
thing
already been
what I'm
printed.
doing in
So eventually,
FOH.
you
I
need
can put
to
all the
pay
metrics
this
here. This
22.95
one,
latest
I'm going
bill,
to
which
upgrade
was
it then.
due last 13th of July,
There's
since
actually a
this new $20 would be applied on your next bill.
so I'm thinking
611?
611 each cut off. So that's 22, right? Plus your attendance. What if you're already
Well, what would
you
like
have
me to
some
do,
incentives already,
I've
like
answered those
fun
questions.
friend,
We can't deal with that since that needs to be referred to a Teltra store. We don't have any information for the voucher. We just deal with prepaid vouchers.
Where is it? Natatakot?
they do know me that I'm not really using my phone to get They
That's
know
what
me
I've just
for
told you. That's what I've just
I'm
told
using
you.
it for
You need to
even
pay
when
for
I
your bill
was
now, which you can pay on the
POP.
16th of the 8th, which you've
I've
arranged
been here for like all night and there
yesterday.
be
So
like
you can pay
hot
that
in my back.
22
You can't
by
really
the
see that I'm really
August
stressed.
16,
I'm
and
not
this
really stressed.
credit will be applied on your bill after you pay this one.
Yeah, so they don't hinahinayan.
Yeah, of 22.95.
Still
Yeah,
need to
that's
buy
correct.